Ohio is a state in the Midwestern region of the United States. Ohio has a population of 11.7 million, which is the seventh populous and 10th densely populated state in the U.S. Ohio's capital and largest city are Columbus, Cincinnati, and Cleveland, being the largest metropolitan areas. Ohio is bordered by Lake Erie to the north, Pennsylvania to the east, West Virginia to the southeast, Kentucky to the southwest, Indiana to the west, and Michigan to the northwest. Population. From just over 45,000 residents in 1800, Ohio's population grew faster than 10% per decade, except for the 1940 census, until the 1970 census, which recorded just over 10.65 million Ohioans. Growth then slowed for the next 4 decades. 6.2% of Ohio's population is under 5 years of age, 23.7% under 18 years of age, and 14.1% were 65 or older. Females made up approximately 51.2% of the population. Geography. Ohio links the Northeast to the Midwest. Much cargo and business traffic passes through its borders along its well-developed highways. Ohio has the nation's 10th largest highway network, and is within a one-day drive of 50% of North America's population and 70% of North America's manufacturing capacity. Ohio has 312 miles of coastline with Lake Erie, which allows for numerous cargo ports such as Cleveland and Toledo. Ohio's southern border is defined by the Ohio River. Ohio's neighbors are Pennsylvania to the east, Michigan to the northwest, Lake Erie to the north, Indiana to the west, Kentucky on the south, and West Virginia on the southeast. Climate. The climate of Ohio is a humid continental climate, except in the extreme southern counties of Ohio's Bluegrass Region section, which are located on the northern periphery of the humid subtropical climate and upland south region of the United States. Summers are typically hot and humid throughout the state, while winters generally range from cool to cold. Precipitation in Ohio is moderate year-round. Severe weather is not uncommon in the state, although there are typically fewer tornado reports in Ohio than in states located in what is known as the Tornado Alley. Economy. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the total number for employment in 2016 was 4,790,178. The total number of unique employer establishments was 252,201, while the total number of non-employer establishments was 785,833. In 2010, Ohio was ranked second in the country for Best Business Climate by Site Selection magazine, based on a business activity database. The state has also won 3 consecutive Governor's Cup awards from the magazine, based on business growth and developments. As of 2016, Ohio's gross domestic product was $626 billion. This ranks Ohio's economy as the 7th largest of all 50 states and the District of Columbia.